Hello there, welcome again to our series of topic on Smartsheet. In today's topic, as I promised earlier in the previous video, I will just uh, up, show you how to apply conditional formatting. Here are the activity list, the start and the start date and duration from our previous tracker. So to apply conditional formatting, I have to go here, conditional formatting, then I have to add new rule. Again, let me add 3 new rules. This I have to select the status as a complete for the first one. For the second one, I have to again select in progress. For the third one, I have to apply not started. So I have to also select the entire row. Now I can select the status. So I've added new rules for complete under status column in progress and not started. So I have to go to here and select the appropriate color for those. For complete, let us use green color. Okay, for in progress, let us use uh, blue color, and for in progress, I mean for not started, let us use this somewhat this color. So I have to say okay and apply it. So I've built it. So that is how we can apply conditional formatting. Earlier we have seen how to create filters. Let me actually recreate filters, this time for complete status. For complete, then apply. I can see only completed activities. So that is how we can actually apply our filters as well. So that is it, how to apply filters and how to create conditional formatting. So those are very important, especially in a project where it has different statuses. So let's go to back to board view and see it, what it looks like now. And the board view is coming. So we have activity here under different options. Here we have 2 activity in progress, 6 activities completed, 2 activities not started. Let us see card view. In the card view also you can see the activities which is completed, which is in progress, and which is not started. So this is very important for project management and even for activity management. So In this video and in the previous video, we have seen how to add additional status, like for example in progress, uh, how to use more tools, how to create filters, how to apply conditional formatting, and how to export. So if you want to actually use those things, you have to practice and go and practice them. Thank you very much, and bye bye.